Hello, this is a message from Ernestine Lyons regarding COVID-19. If anything, during the last few weeks, we have seen Michiganders rise to the occasion. We have seen people really show what it means to be humane and to show their humanity. I hope that we can continue to uplift each other and to be the best that we can be and to spark that glow of amazing humanity and to always know that we can keep pushing our limits. We can keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We can always be that catalyst for change. So I hope that this time inspires you to be greater, do better, be that person who uplifts a community, who changes a small business, who can be that voice of hope. We have learned to be accountable for each other. We have learned to check in on each other. We have learned to simply be more feeling, more loving, more caring. I think this is something that we all needed, that step away from our busy lives of being so wrapped in our own concerns and to be a little bit more concerning of the state of people's well-being, our own mental health, and the communities we want to grow and flourish. And that is my message.